Override Python's inoperator. If I am creating my own class in Python, what function should I define so as to allow the use of the inoperator, for example?
My class dot underscore contains underscore self, item.
A more complete answer is here you would get true when asking if 54 was an M. See documentation on overloading underscore contains underscore.
Another way of having desired logic is to implement underscore eta underscore. If you don't overload underscore contains underscore Python, would use underscore eta underscore, if it's overloaded, to check whether or not your data structure contains specified value.
If you want to hear more, please consider subscribing.